Kevin Pottinger.
Yes, Kevin!
Go, Kevin!
Now, graduates, as you reach these boundaries and
living life every day, late at night, not okay.
Yeah, my boy Kevin, congratulations again. My graduation was a success. What a turnout it was. Yeah, I have to talk about the turnout. The turnout was every man just serious, so. Vlog gonna see with me.
Give our son to the congrats, and we are proud of you. You're so humble, you're so loving, you're so caring, and we just want you to keep that up. You have done such a great job, and there is many more to.
Yeah, congrats my boy. From graduation from high school. Yeah man. Kevin.
I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome.
Yo, big up Kimpa'stv! Jaja! Kimpa'stv!
Portia and
Team.
Crescendo White.
Hello, when the name call up here, we have over this again, and almost like what was more used to man?
I eat every use. This use. Then I will use and catch me.
And Dominic Williams.
After him, we have Leon Fagan. All right, Armani Allen.
At this time that side stop, and you can't stop that. Parents have to make me.
Amanda Benjamin.
Alika Morgan. Come, Alika.
Things going on for Kevin. Lifetime boy, lifetime boy, lifetime boy. Lifetime, graduation, high school. me and post it.
Are your bags coming out?
So me and post it. Yeah, my boy Kevin, congratulations again. My graduation was a success. What a turnout it was. Yeah, I have to talk about the turnout. The turnout was everything, you see it. Yeah, man. But you don't know, son Kevin. Yeah, man, you know the thing come. One more milestone clear. One more thing, you know, one more bridge to cross. Yeah, man, you know, say you that in high school, so further the education thing. Yeah, man, you know, so as a good father, that we have to deal with, that we have to promote, and that we have to talk about. Yeah, man, so Kevin, congratulations again. Yeah, man, that the graduation, it was a success in terms of like the turnout, but in terms of like boring, yeah, it made it hurt me. Big up on himself, said we Mona. Yeah. Alright, so you know the thing go. Yeah, man, look how more we're out, you see it? So this is the wife package. Yeah, man, as you can tell where it's from. Yep, this is the store that I keep talking about. Yeah, man, enough things you don't know about a story, you know, and enough things you don't understand about a story, but I left that for later. Yeah, so this is the son package. Yeah, I bet that's a wife package. Yeah, so this is the son package now. No different. Yeah, see where it's from. Yep.
Stand before me get the bus. Fire on my belly, me can't drop me off and make it fuss. I am not ready, no people I gotta get me trust. All I go make for us, we so dance, so make we just shine like a diamond, cause I'm on the make for us. Genesis.
Anyway, the vlog right here at Ribby's in the parking lot. So here I go on now. I'm gonna make Kevin mother give him gift from graduation day. Yeah, man, cause we carry him out for have dinner. So now we are giving him gift first. You see me? Yeah, man. See, man, just serious. So vlog gonna see with me.
Gift from us, tell you congrats, and we are proud of you. You're so humble, you're so loving, you're so caring. I would just want you to keep that up. You have done such a great job, and there is many more to come. So we just a big up for your success. I know, say yeah, we love you and we're there for you. Alright?
Thank you so much.
Nah.
Yeah, man, see it, congrats, my boy. From graduation from high
Big
school.
up God.
Yeah, man. Kevin. Yep. That is it from me and your mother. Congrats again. Big up yourself, young passenger. Anyway, outside. Kevin, show your fit, my boy. Show your fit. Yeah, man. L star. That is it. You are a star. Yeah, man. Show your fit. Fit. Come out now, like. Show your fit, please. Yeah. Gallery department. Yeah. Marnie. Yeah, New Balance. Yeah, show your fit. That is it. Kevin, smile, no, man. You're not happy? Yeah, smile?
Yeah.
That is it. Yeah. White Jesus can never fail. Yeah, man. Them interior shots. Yeah, man. Berry. Yeah, man. You know the stainless steel out. Yeah. Show your fit. That is it. Yeah, man. Eat out with my son and my wife. That is.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Seen it right
you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the.
This is where I'll be eating today. Yeah man, right at Ribby's. Yeah man, 5-star Ultra Lounge. Yeah man, yes, that is it. That is where we'll be mailing.
Dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I
Yup. My loaded fries. Yup.
and will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored